The analysis on performance after daily profit or loss measure the average performance of your trade when facing a certain amount of profit or loss accumulated on the day. The trades are classified in different categories based on the amount of profit or loss of closed trade on the same day when opening a new trade. Similar to analysis of open position in profit or loss, the analysis measures whether you are influenced or emotionally affected by the profit or loss you have accumulated on the day so far. The knowledge that you have traded profitably or made a loss on that day actually influences many traders in their upcoming trades. It is quite common to see that traders enter a new trade with a high risk profile when either being very far in loss but also very far in profit. It is important to understand for a trader that what kind of impact those emotions have on the trading result. You may have heard that traders have certain rules in their trading, one of them being to stop the trading after reach a certain loss or profit in a day. Those rules are trying to prevent some loss-making behavior, which is hard to resist when being in an extreme emotional state. Sometimes it may be better to cool down, take a break for the rest of the day, and start your trading again at the next day with a clear mind. Whether you share some of those behavior and whether it would be profitable for you to, for example, set certain rules to suspend trading after a specific daily profit or loss, you can see in your own analysis output. As you can see from the chart, this trader performs best when neither having a daily profit or loss accumulated on that day so far. However, when reaching extreme profit of more than 5% or extreme losses of more than minus 5%, the following trades have an undesirable average payoff. Certainly, the trader is influenced by his or her emotions related to the performance so far on that day. Moving with the cursor over the bar, you can see that the total loss accumulated from trades that have been performed after 5% loss or more has been made is minus 2,525 USD, spread over 141 trades. On average, the trader lost minus 0.34% of his or her trading capital on those trades. Surprisingly, the trader also shows a weaker performance of only 0.3 pips for trades when already 5% of profit were locked during the day. Additionally, also looking at the shorter time frames of the last 3 months, the trader shows a similar pattern. However, we can see that for trades with more than 5% profit of the day, the color of the green chart changes. This is due to the fact that the trader only performed 15 trades in this category over the last 3 months. With only 15 trades, the user should be cautious with the interpretation of the data, because it is based on only a very limited amount of trades. Seeing a similar pattern as in our example in your own output, it becomes obvious that you may improve your trading performance by working your performance after extreme daily profit or losses. Whether it is emotional of aggressiveness, sadness, or whatever else after having a strong loss in a day, the emotion can limit your ability to make rational decisions, leading to a below average payoff. There are certain ways to deal with an output like this. As mentioned before, some traders have rules to suspend trading after reaching a certain level of daily profit or loss. Other traders will limit their risk by lowering the lot size. You may choose to observe yourself and your emotional by having a trading diary. Through the understanding of what kind of emotion drive you below average performance during those times, you can work on your own emotional state and develop strategies on how to control your emotions or use them in your favor. In case you do have a significant loss-making pattern due to the profit or loss level of closed position on that day, you may choose to receive a notification from us warning that you have just entered another position although having a specific profit or loss accumulated on that day, which on average end up with an underperformance in your trade. trading can be very demanding, and a little technical support may actually help to free your mind and focus better.